Voice search optimization. Today, we'll explore how to optimize for natural language queries. Let's start by understanding why voice search optimization is crucial in the age of digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Voice search is booming. With more and more people using their voices to search for information, it's a game changer for SEO, and here's why. Benefit number 1. Natural language queries. Voice searches tend to be more conversational and longer, reflecting how people naturally speak. Benefit number 2, local search. Many voice searches are for local information like find me the nearest coffee shop. Optimizing for voice can boost your local SEO. Benefit number 3, featured snippets. Voice assistants often pull answers from featured snippets. Optimizing for this can increase your chance of being the answer. Now, let's discuss how to optimize for voice search with natural language queries. Tip number 1. Understand user intent. Voice searches are often questions. Think about the questions your audience might ask and create content to answer them. Tip number 2. Optimize for local SEO. Make sure your business information is accurate and consistent across all directories, and use local keywords. Tip number 3. Create a snippet-worthy content. Structure your content to provide clear answers that are snippets-worthy. Tip number 4. Improve page speed. Faster loading pages are preferred by voice assistants. Optimize for speed. Voice search is changing the SEO game, and optimizing for natural language queries is essential. Understand your intents, optimize for local search, create a snippets-worthy content, and improve page speed.